पेलिकन्स क्रिकेट क्लब के स्टूडेंट, एक जुझारू क्रिकेटर, उम्दा यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल एथलीट दिग्विजय सिंह भरतवाल. He left us on 4th October 2020. May his soul rest in peace.
How to tackle the situation? Well, this is a quite close point. Yes, it is. A beautiful dive, and number 5 is out.
उठो, जागो और तब तक मत रुको जब तक अपने लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति ना हो जाए. ये शब्द हैं स्वामी विवेकानंद के और इसको बिल्कुल सही सटीक अपने जीवन में जीवंत किया एक ऐसी टेबल टेनिस खिलाड़ी ने जिसको हाल ही में अर्जुन अवार्ड मिला है और जिसका नाम है मधुरिका सुहास पाटकर. और ये है हमारी आज की स्पोर्टिंग वॉरियर. स्वागत है आप सभी का. वेल, वी आर हैविंग विद अस मधुरिका सुहास पाटकर. शी इज द नेम ऑफ टेबल टेनिस. मेरे ख्याल से अगर मैं गलत नहीं हूं तो आप में और शालिनी में बहुत ज्यादा अंतर नहीं है. यू आर द मोस्ट सीनियर वन एंड ऑब्वियसली सबसे ज्यादा अचीवमेंट भी आपके नाम है, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग.
As of now, I'm the senior most. Earlier, it was Mohammad Das, like till last year, but now in full Indian fraternity, I am the senior most now.
Well, I think being the senior most person, pressure would be there, isn't it?
So obviously, I think that's a lot of pressure because when you're young, you're just exploring yourself, and you are watching the seniors and getting all the motivation. So even if you do something wrong, it is ऐसे नजरअंदाज हो जाता है, like people ignore. But now, when you're the senior most and you are in the fraternity in the field for so many years, and then the juniors look up to you. So it's like you are making the path for them. So they follow your footsteps. So it is more important to be strong mentally because जब अच्छा चल रहा है तो अच्छा है, चलो attitude अच्छा है, thinking अच्छा है, body language अच्छा है. But if something is wrong, that is where your mental aspect plays in. Like you have to be strong. And अंदर से जितना आप strong हो, आपको उतना बाहर से भी दिखाना पड़ता है कि यार you're strong, you're not giving up. And कुछ भी age हो जाए, whatever happens, you have to be physically fit so that you can be in the game. I think that is more important. And now, sir, many juniors, they are looking up to us, especially after the Commonwealth Games. With all the table years and being the senior most, they have been following me and they see that how much hard work I have put into the game, how my attitude is, because I have been known to never give up and always working hard. So that is the pressure, even if you are इतना एज हो गया, that attitude has to be maintained. So it feels great that you are encouraging the young people so that they are the future of our country.
Well, from the last 3 words, I'll just go straight away to the person who has inspired us with his experience, and despite of the fact that he's the senior most, Mani sir, he pushed me. Well, हम लोग तो आराम से मस्ती कर रहे थे कि चलो ठीक है यार, अभी जब शुरू होगा तब शुरू होगा. But he pushed me कि नहीं ये शुरू करना है, and we started. Sir, please move in.
Madhurika, nice to see you, and this is an effort by our club because we have been promoting cricket at the grassroots level for the last 45 years. 40 years with the state as well. We produce a lot of good cricketers. And I always felt, though I have been a cricket coach, I have had an interest in other sports. So I thought we should explore into other games and look into people who have excelled in other games and bring them into the, at least to the public notice. Now, Madhurika, I just went through your records or what I have been seeing you because after I got involved in table tennis through AI, you have had great success in the last, I would say, 4 years. Those have been, I think, some of your best achievements in your career. 2016-17, you won the nationals at Manesar. Then 2018, part of the Indian women's team which won the team event Commonwealth Games. And now to top it all, the prestigious Arjuna Award for you. So great effort, I would say, putting in a great effort. And after even getting a little older, you have been, like you said, the will to do well. That is, given you very good results. I would just like to ask you, apart from these achievements in your table tennis career, what are your other achievements in table tennis from a young age? I know you have been a part of the Maharashtra team or the petroleum team in winning the national. Apart from that, what are what achievements do you cherish in the field of table?
So I think I am the only girl, or maybe an Indian player, who has got 4 gold medals in South Asian Games in 2010, as well as in South Asian Junior Championship 4 gold medals. I think I must be the only one who has achieved this in both juniors as well as in seniors. So that is one of the great thing. And in 2010, we won silver medal in the Commonwealth. So actually, there are many, like since the young age, I've been playing for India since 2000, and every year I have been representing India. So I think that is the greatest achievement for me. Like even if, I have gone down, but again I have risen up and again played for India. So I think that is the biggest achievement for me, that I have worked hard for, I can say, decades now, decades. I think that is the most important achievement for me. Working hard and loving the game for so many years and just keep going on. I know that is not an achievement as such, like.
No, it is. It is.
But I feel that this is what keeps me going, and that is the biggest achievement for me. Because performing at international level or a national level, it's not that easy. You need to sacrifice many things. You have to put in so much of hard work, and you have to keep going. I feel regardless of the results. It's a dedication. It's a determination, grit. You name it, all, sir. All the.
I think mainly passion.
Yes.
Passion for the game. Because
talking about passion, I have seen your passion, sir. I have seen your passion because I have known you since many years, like since you were associated with Airport Authority of India. The passion you have, sir, towards sports is unbelievable. And the thing is, you put in all your efforts in the youth and the juniors, who are the future. Happy. कुछ भी हो जाए ना, अरे एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी में तो हम एकदम खुश है, सर तो एकदम मस्त है, हमें कुछ टेंशन नहीं, हमें परफॉर्म करना पड़ता है, एंड सर लाइक यू आस्क एनीथिंग एंड so we don't have to worry about anything. So that is your passion, sir.
That's it. I think that's what that's what keeps me going. And after getting introduced to the table tennis, and like I went to the inter-institutional, I met all the players. I was feeling so, they were all, it was looking as if I was in the team again. So in your case also, the passion has really helped you perform. And wonderful. Now I'll ask Sudhir to go forward with the interview. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. मधुरिका, कुछ चुलबुली सी चीजें हैं जो मैंने आपके बारे में जानकारी हासिल की है. आपको डांस बहुत पसंद है, स्पेशली अपनी सिस्टर के साथ, isn't it?
सर हाँ, मैं तो बचपन से, यानी जब मैं छोटी थी मैं तो डांस क्लासेस ज्वाइन भी करती थी. डांस क्लासेस मैंने ज्वाइन किया था और मेरी डांस टीचर मेरे मम्मी को बोलती थी, ये तो मेरे रेस का काला घोड़ा है, ऐसे ये फ्यूचर में जाके इतना मस्त करेगी ऐसे. और मैं जब छोटी थी ना तो शादियों में भी ऐसे डांस करते थे, जैसे कोई फैमिली फंक्शन हो या रिलेटिव्स का शादी हो तो बीच में वो टाइम होता है ना जब दूल्हा दुल्हन चेंज करने जाते हैं तो मैं तो उधर जाके डांस करती थी. यानी यू जस्ट टेल मी कि मधुरिका जस्ट गो एंड डांस, आई डांस.
ब्रिलियंट. और मैंने कुछ एक्सरसाइज आपकी देखी. शुरुआत में हम लोग बात कर रहे थे obviously that you are literally freak about fitness and all that stuff. वो बॉटल वाला जो एक एक्सरसाइज है आपने जो किया है उसके पीछे इंस्पिरेशन कौन है?
सर उसके पीछे इंस्पिरेशन यानी तब वो लॉकडाउन का टाइम था और जो चालू है तो अभी मैंने मेरे मिस को यानी मेरी कोच जो है उनको पूछा कि हाउ आर वी सपोज्ड टू गो अबाउट इट. तो एक तो था कि फिजिकल फिटनेस और मेंटल फिटनेस पे ध्यान देना चाहिए. तो लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे ऑनलाइन सेशंस होते थे मेरे फिजिकल ट्रेनर के साथ. तो काफी दिन हुए थे तो माय कोच वाज लाइक कि कुछ तो भी एक्साइटिंग करते हैं, सब ऐसे डल हो जा रहा है ना, लेट मी सी कि आपने सचमुच में फिजिकल फिटनेस किया है या नहीं किया है. तो फिर मैंने मेरे कोच ने ये फिटनेस बॉटल चैलेंज दिया एंड मेरे ट्रेनर ने पहले ट्राई किया एंड देन शी वाज लाइक मधुरिका आई एम चैलेंजिंग यू फॉर दिस बॉटल challenge. So this is how it is, sir. पर आपको बताओ ये I think that was the easiest of all the challenges.
Wow, was it? Brilliant.
Very much strong for that. वो तो है. और एक ट्रिक मैं आपको बोलती हूँ, सर उसमें ना बॉटल आधी भरी होगी ना तो और भी इजी हो जाता है.
Okay, चलिए ठीक है ये I'll just note it down and try myself. Okay, there's one more thing I've seen. I mean, you are well educated and well, most of the people they'll get छोड़ यार खेल रहे हैं तो फिर what sort of education? How was your family reacted when you just let them know, okay, I want to play table tennis? Was it because of studies they allowed you, or was something else?
No, so I started playing table tennis because of my dad. He wanted me to, be a player to represent our country. वो उनके plans थे क्योंकि बचपन में वो उनके स्कूल के टीम में वगैरह होते थे, not table tennis but other sport में वो थे. So he always wanted me to be a sports person ऐसे. तो वो बचपन से तो वो पहला हॉबी चालू हुआ. Like I took it up just like a hobby or a time pass, या जो एनर्जी थी मेरे में अभी भी है वो just अच्छा channelize हो जाए कुछ तो useful. So that's why I started playing table tennis. My parents as well as my coach, they were like कि education बहुत important है. And it's just because you're performing, you're playing good, आप इंडिया के लिए खेल रहे हो, सब उसके लिए I don't want कि आपका academic career नहीं but academic wise you should be lacking, ऐसे उनका था. तो रोज मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा स्टडीज करती थी एंड एक्चुअली ऐसा था कि बचपन से ही मुझे खेलना था. आई वांटेड टू बिकम अ प्लेयर. यस, लाइक 10th में भी था तो आई हैड जॉइंड द क्लासेस एट महेश ट्यूटोरियल्स, सो लाइक ट्यूटोरियल्स से. तो माय कोच एंड माय डैड दे सपोर्टेड मी. दे वर लाइक कि यू आर अ प्लेयर, you have just represented your country and why are you thinking about joining a classes or something, and why are you dedicating so much of time for studies? Like you should, in the summer vacations you should be giving more hours to your game for your improvement, and वो off season कहलाया जाता है. तो तब मैंने सोचा थोड़ा ऐसा कि analyze किया, who am I, what am I doing, am I following somebody else or am I following my dreams, my passion, what am I doing? So that was the moment I was like कि table tennis ही है, there is nothing else and other things will all be just a secondary factor. वो एक था. My parents always supported my decision. They were like कि तुम्हें जो करना है वो तुम करो. We will be there to support you. And I think that is the greatest, thing कि आपके जब parents they support you, your full family supports you. I think that is an extra push you get. So
Always,
that
always.
is always there. And so I feel कि academics and sports they go hand in hand. Always. Like whatever you study, be it maths, science, or anything that can be applied in studies. And even studies, अब जो भी सीखते हो that can be applied in sports, and whatever you do in sports, the concentration, whatever the dedication, because sports
when you face the consequences, when you lose the games, and when you have to come back, they all can be utilized in your life.
Yes, everything. और कभी कभार अगर खेलना भी बहुत ज्यादा होता है तो आप स्टडीज के लिए कुछ एक डाइवर्जन हो जाता है, और स्टडीज भी अगर बहुत ज्यादा होता है तो एक स्पोर्ट्स भी डाइवर्जन होता है. बट आई फील दैट बोथ द थिंग्स गो हैंड इन हैंड.
फाइन. एक बहुत ही छोटी सी चीज है बट मैं हमेशा पूछता हूँ कोई ना कोई जब भी इंडिया प्लेयर होते हैं, जब पहली बार आपने इंडिया की लोगो वाली जर्सी पहन के आप उतरे होंगे, ऑब्वियसली बहुत कम एज में थे आप, उस वक्त कितनी धुकड़ अंदर हो रही थी या कितने नर्वस थे?
सर मैं नर्वस बिल्कुल नहीं थी. मैं तो बहुत,
वैसे अब बात करके मुझे लग रहा है कि नहीं हो ही नहीं सकता कि आप नर्वस हो.
I was very happy, sir. I was very happy because जब छोटी थी तब से मैं मेरे सीनियर्स को देख रही थी. Like whenever we used to go for national tournaments, तब भी मैं देखती थी कि ये इंडिया का जर्सी पहन के they are playing, the way they walk. I mean, there was like a different, poise when they, walk, talk, and I always wanted that. और जब पता चला कि I've been selected in the Indian team, I तो was like happy, and मेरे से ज्यादा मुझे लगता है मेरे पेरेंट्स बहुत खुश थे. वो जाके मेरे सिस्टर यानी मेरी प्रिंसिपल, I was in a convent school, so हमारे प्रिंसिपल को सिस्टर बोलते, सिस्टर मरीना को बताया and सारे स्कूल को बताया. Like everybody, they were so happy. So I was just so happy to represent my country, and उस tournament में I think टीम से मैंने एक हांगकांग के प्लेयर को हराया. शी वाज वेरी वेल रैंक, हाई रैंक प्लेयर. हांगकांग के प्लेयर को हराया मैंने, एंड वी वन silver medal in the team event. We inspire the youth, the kids. They they get inspired by us. So we are the ones who are going to build the future, I think.
मधुरिका, आप काफी बाहर और इंडिया में भी खेले हुए ऑब्वियसली, तो आपके साथ एक, क्योंकि मुझे वो मैच याद आ रहा है कि एक खिलाड़ी थी शामिनी कुमारेशन, तो नेशनल चैंपियनशिप थी और बहुत टाइट मैच चल रहा था आपका. मैं उसी से एक चीज जानना चाहता हूँ कि इंडिया में कितने ऐसे हैं जो आपको वाकई में चुनौती दे पाए, कौन सी ऐसी खिलाड़ी रही या अभी भी लगता है कि हाँ कुछ पंगा हो सकता है उनसे?
सर है, आई थिंक अभी स्टैंडर्ड तो अच्छा है, अच्छा हो रहा है. इवन द यूथ एंड द जूनियर्स दे आर गुड, इन्हें अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. सो आई थिंक एवरीबॉडी दे आर गुड, बट बीइंग अ सीनियर मुझे ऐसे होता है कि नो, आई हैव टू लाइक एक सुप्रीमेसी मेंटेन करना चाहिए. आई हैव टू वर्क डबल हार्ड, if I have to be there. So but when I was जो मेरे बैच के थे, आई थिंक तभी तो सब सारे लड़कियां तो एक ही लेवल के थे और सारे कौन जीतेगा ऐसे बोल नहीं सकते थे. The top 16 players were like so tough. The competition used to be so tough that कोई भी नेशनल रैंकिंग या नेशनल चैंपियनशिप जीत सकता है.
एब्सोल्युटली. और मतलब आपके टाइम में तो जेन्युइनली थोड़ा ज्यादा ही कंपटीशन था. नेहा अग्रवाल भी थे.
No, Neha is junior. Moma,
okay, she's your junior.
Moma Das, Palmi Ghatak, Mamta Prabhu, they are senior to me. Shamini, she's just 1 year younger to me. So it's a बहुत ऐसे players, and even now the juniors are giving a good takkar.
Okay, well, I've seen that takkar. Might be that girl is from abroad. I forgot the country, but yes, that table tennis league was there. It was a semi-final, and after the match, the kind of dance you guys had, it was wonderful. So tell me something about that match.
Oh my God, that was a very a tight match because we were down something. I think we were 5-1 down. I'm not. We were 5-1 down. Semi-final match था और 5-1 जब हम down थे तब शरद भैया he went inside and तब I think वो singles खेलने वाले थे शरद भैया के साथ. पर ये था कि हमने start वो semi-finals का बहुत ही बुरा किया था. हम वो trailing a lot. Then Sharad Bhaiya went into the arena. उनके singles का match था. I think he won 2-1 or lost 2-1. I don't remember that match. So, or I think Petty and Sharad Bhaiya. I mean, there were two matches. Sharad Bhaiya का एक singles का match था and Petty Sharad Bhaiya उनका doubles का match था. And then when I went inside, and तब वो I don't remember that much. The score I don't remember, but it was very much close. It was very much close. बहुत close match था. First game I lost and I was so angry on myself. Ki, what am I doing? Like, this is a semi-final match and I have to produce my best regardless the result. Because in the inside, I know that I'm not playing my 100%. So I was angry for that. Ki, I'm not playing good. At least play good, give 100%, then lose. Chalo, fir theek hai. But I'm not so angry. And वो जोश में वो क्या flow में then I won the second game. Then again वो level up हो गया. And the last game was like I was 10-6 lead and I just needed 1 point. और 10-6 का धीरे धीरे 10-7, 10-8, 10-9 and then the golden point. My God! And then और एक अच्छा rally हुआ and the best part is कि high ball ना I'm very much थोड़ा I was like shaky high ball के लिए और तभी वो lobbing का point हो गया and I just won and it was so great. Like everybody, the whole team came inside and it was just like a finals for us. It was Absolutely. Just great.
And after that you guys, all of you in fact, you danced and I don't know who that guy was. He lifted you.
He was the co-owner. He was the co-owner of the team. Like I said, so then I don't need an occasion, I can go and dance anywhere.
Well, now we can understand that. Yes, it is. Brilliant. Okay, अब पहली चीज तो ये कि जो आने वाले अब खिलाड़ी हैं उसमें आपको कितना दम दिखाई देता है और दूसरा ये कि इंडिया अब आगे टेबल टेनिस में उसका फ्यूचर आपके नजरिए से?
सर अभी तो टेबल टेनिस में मुझे लगता है कि काफी अच्छा फ्यूचर है बिकॉज एक तो जो हम सीनियर्स हैं लाइक वी हैव वन गुड मेडल्स एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द जूनियर्स दे हैव गॉट अ ड्रीम उनको एक ऐसे दिखता है कि हाँ हम भी वो फीट अचीव कर सकते हैं, तो एक जो कॉन्फिडेंस होता है वो ऑलरेडी बिल्टअप हो गया है। एंड काफी प्लेयर्स प्रोफेशनल लीग खेलने जा रहे हैं अब्रॉड में, और इंडिया में भी एक लीग आया है, सो विच इज वेरी गुड। एंड आई थिंक द गवर्नमेंट सपोर्ट भी अच्छा मिल रहा है फॉर द स्पोर्ट, and also there are organizations who are, you know, sponsoring and giving jobs for the players. Like एक sponsor तो we know that it is Airport Authority of India is there.
True.
तो ऐसे बहुत सारे organizations हैं who are giving scholarships and who are offering jobs. So I think it's a very good time, you know, to take up the sport and you can think about, you know, making a career out of it. ऐसे मुझे लग रहा है। जो आने वाली जनरेशन है, मुझे लगता है कि it is everything is becoming, you know, professional. So you need to have that attitude and you should be ready that you have to work hard for that. कुछ भी easily हासिल नहीं होता, जो भी आपको हासिल हो रहा है तो easily उसका कुछ मतलब ही नहीं है, ऐसे यानी उसकी खुशी इतनी मिलती नहीं है। So you have to work hard to achieve your dreams and believe in yourself. And the first thing is passion and the love for the game. That is all you need. That is the secret ingredient एक अच्छी रेसिपी बनाने।
बिल्कुल, और हमारी दुआ रहेगी कि ये रेसिपी आप लगातार बनाती रहें। अभी आपने जो अचीव किया है वो आपके स्टूडेंट भी अचीव करें। मधुरिका, सीरियसली इतना मजा आया आपसे बात करके, बट डेफिनेटली आई अश्योर यू हम एक और शो करेंगे आपके साथ, लेकिन फिलहाल आज के लिए वाकई में बहुत मजा आया एंड यू आर आवर स्पोर्टिंग वॉरियर टू। So thank you very much, and sir, thank you very much for you. I mean to you as well. आपने आकर मधुरिका के साथ भी कुछ गुफ्तगू की, जो कि वो बहुत बढ़िया की, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा, बड़ा मजा आया। चलते चलते आप अगर कुछ कहना चाहें तो सर।
Well, wonderful to have Madhurika, and I'm just seeing that, you know, that national का जो title Madhurika ने जीता मैनेसर में, it clearly portrays the agony and the ecstasy. I mean, 5 minutes after winning, now for a split second, she's, you know, struggling with herself. I have done it. Have I done it? That type of reaction, that is the beauty of sport. And that one incident, you know, portrays her character. She plays with a lot of passion. All the best in your future endeavors, Madhurika. Wonderful to have had you in this show. Thanks a lot.
In fact, sir, जाने से पहले मैं भी जोड़ ही देता हूँ, कॉमनवेल्थ में कमेंट्री कर रहा था जब इन लोगों को गोल्ड मिला था, and I was there and I've seen उस वक्त ही they were just literally मुझे लग रहा था कि हो गया काम, मतलब सारे के सारे जो इनका रिएक्शन था, बट यस वो है एक ट्रू स्पोर्ट्समैन की असली स्पिरिट। इसी स्पिरिट के साथ थैंक यू वेरी मच मधुरिका वंस अगेन, एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच सर।
How to tackle the situation? Well, this is a quite close point. Yes, it is. A beautiful dive, and number 5 is out.